Welcome students. My name is Sanjay Salunke. As we have seen in last session, energy pyramid, biogeochemical cycle and types of biogeochemical cycle. Today we are going to talk about first carbon cycle, second oxygen cycle. Moving towards first point is carbon cycle. Biogeochemical cycle includes carbon cycle, oxygen cycle and nitrogen cycle. So first carbon cycle. From the atmosphere, carbon in the form of carbon dioxide reaches the green plants. From green plants, carbon in the form of food is carried to plants and from plants to animals. From both plants and animals, carbon reaches the atmosphere following a cyclic path. This cyclic path of carbon from plants to animals and from both these to the atmosphere is called carbon cycle. In the atmosphere and water bodies, carbon dioxide is the main source of carbon. Green plants synthesize carbohydrates from carbon dioxide of the atmosphere as shown below. Carbon dioxide reacts with water to form glucose, water and oxygen. The carbohydrates in the form of food through food chain reaches the plants, from plants to herbivorous animals and from herbivorous animals to carnivorous animals. In this way, the carbon moves from one living being to another living being. During the process of respiration, both plants and animals oxidize carbohydrates and liberate energy along with evolution of carbon dioxide. Glucose reacts with oxygen to form carbon dioxide, water and energy. During the process of fermentation and anaerobic respiration, microorganisms produce carbon dioxide. Carbon compounds undergo decomposition through microorganisms. During this process, also carbon dioxide is produced which mixes with the atmosphere. During combustion, the organic carbon undergoes oxidation and produces energy and carbon dioxide. In this way, carbon in the form of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere reached the food chain through plants. Process like respiration, combustion, fermentation, decomposition, etc. release carbon dioxide which reaches the atmosphere. Again, in this way, there is cyclic movement of carbon. So next point is oxygen cycle. The air contains about 20% of oxygen. The atmospheric oxygen is slightly soluble in water. Terrestrial plants and animals obtain oxygen from the air, while aquatic plants and animals use oxygen dissolved in water for respiration. During the process of respiration, carbohydrates are oxidized and carbon dioxide is released along with release of energy. Coal, wood, petrol, etc. need oxygen during combustion. During the process of combustion, also along with carbon dioxide, energy is also released. Both respiration and combustion take oxygen from the atmosphere and release carbon dioxide to the atmosphere. Green plants during the process of photosynthesis use carbon dioxide of the atmosphere and release oxygen to atmosphere. Oxygen mixes with the air and the cycle is completed. Now today's homework is describe in brief carbon cycle. That's all for today. We will continue in next session. Thank you.